Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 with a controller. First, let's get your controller ready. Simply connect your chosen controller to your console or PC. Make sure it is fully charged or has fresh batteries for uninterrupted gameplay. Then, navigate to Tekken 8's options menu to confirm your controller inputs are correctly recognized and configured. This foundational step ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience from the very start. Now, let's dive into the core controls. Your character's movement is primarily handled by the left analog stick or the D-pad. For attacks, you will typically assign punch and kick actions to the four main face buttons on your controller. Spend some time in the training mode to get a feel for these fundamental movements and basic attack combinations. This builds a strong foundation for more complex maneuvers later on. Ready to elevate your game? Tekken 8 features a rich combat system. Master special moves by combining specific directional inputs with your attack buttons. Also, familiarize yourself with the exciting heat system, which allows for powerful offensive bursts and unique character abilities. Don't forget defensive techniques like sidestepping and blocking. These are crucial for avoiding damage and creating openings against your opponents. Consistent practice is key to becoming a formidable Tekken 8 player. Dedicate regular time to the training mode to hone your reflexes and perfect your combos. Explore the diverse roster of characters to discover a fighting style that truly resonates with you. Finally, don't hesitate to customize your controller's button layout to ensure maximum comfort and efficiency during intense matches. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.